Another beautiful sunny day. Yuda, a young and beautiful girl who had just woken up, was a kind-hearted person with a very unique feature: her incredibly long golden hair. Her hair made her stand out from every other girl in the town. Every morning, she would brush her hair first, then tie it up and continue with her daily routine. Yuda had a great passion for painting and spent most of her time creating artwork. She lived with her family in a beautiful town. Whenever Yuda went outside, everyone was captivated by her beautiful hair. The people of the town had even given her the nickname the Rapunzel of the town. Anyone who saw her on the street would compliment her hair. One day, Yuda went out to buy a painting canvas, and as always, people were fascinated by her appearance. Her hair had not been cut for 10 years, and she considered it a part of herself. On her way back home, she imagined the painting she was planning to create. When she arrived home, she opened the door and saw a letter on the table, a letter that would change her day forever. She walked toward it and realized it was from the military. It was the same type of letter that was sent to all young people, both men and women, for mandatory military service, a law that had been passed several years earlier. When Yuda read the letter, she froze in shock. She picked it up and went to her mother, telling her about what had happened. The letter stated that she had 2 months to report for service. Yuda knew that joining the military meant being away from her home, her town, and her painting supplies for a long time. But what troubled her the most was the thought that she would probably have to say goodbye to her hair. She spent those 2 months with this thought constantly on her mind, until the final day arrived. Yuta packed her clothes and prepared to leave. When she reached the military base, she felt extremely nervous. She entered the base and walked toward the area where all the newly recruited individuals had gathered. A little later, a female officer arrived and began explaining the rules. Everyone was anxious as the officer went through the regulations one by one, until she reached one specific rule. All soldiers must maintain neat and properly groomed hair. After hearing this sentence, Yuta felt her heart sink. After the officer finished speaking, Yuta went to her office and desperately asked her not to cut her hair. However, the officer answered firmly, "That is not possible." Then she continued, "Go outside, change your clothes, and report to the barber shop." Yuta changed into her uniform and walked toward the barber shop. She stood in line and watched as the girls sat in the barber chairs one by one, their hair being cut. With every person who took their turn, fear grew stronger inside her. Finally, it was her turn. She sat down on the chair, but the moment she did, her eyes filled with tears. Sadness and anxiety overwhelmed her. The barber stood behind her, released her hair, and was amazed when she saw it. At that exact moment, the officer also approached, looked at Yuta's long, golden hair, and said, "You have beautiful hair, but it is not suitable for this place." Yuta could no longer hold back her tears and began to cry. Seeing her emotional state, the officer stayed silent for a moment. Then she turned to the barber and said, "You don't need to cut it too much. Just make it neat and manageable." The barber carefully began cutting Yuta's hair. Long strands fell to the floor one after another, and Yuta watched them with tear-filled eyes, as if a part of herself was being taken away. When she finally stood up from the chair, her hair was no longer as long as it used to be. It was shorter, but it still kept its beauty. However, her eyes were still filled with tears. Days passed, and little by little, Yuda became used to her new hairstyle. Washing and brushing it was much easier now, and she could even style it in different ways. Despite that, she still sometimes missed her long hair and felt the emptiness left behind. Eventually, her military service came to an end. Her hair slowly began growing again. It was not as long as before, but it was still beautiful. Years passed, and Yuda's hair finally grew back to its former length. That day, Yuda made a promise to herself. She would never cut her hair again. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.